I'm Carl Fleming with MarineMax and Stuart. Today we're going to take a walk through this 2019 32 Scout. This boat has twin 350 Mercury Verados on it with the joystick piloting. Joystick definitely has some nice features, whether it be for close quarters maneuvering or the autopilot that's built into it with some neat features such as skyhook. This boat is a shark gray hull, and then the Grigio interior. The interior matches the hull color really nicely. Back here we have a aft seat that folds away if you do want more cockpit space for fishing or anything. We have a side dive door as well. Here's the live well, large live well, plenty of room there, and then you've got a nice prep center, whether it be for fishing or anything else. Moving forward to the helm, this boat has twin 16-inch Garmins on it. Also has a Mercury vessel view screen. The vessel view is nice because you can keep your engine information separate if you want to do that, or you can run the engine data through the Garmin screens as well. And then you can see here that this boat does have digital switching. You can control everything through the Garmins there also. Boat has a vacuum flush head. There's also plenty of storage room down there. Up in the bow, this seat in front of the console here is equipped to be a cooler or storage. Storage under all these lounge seats as well, plenty of seating. Boat's really set up, whether it be cruising, fishing, anything you want to do, this boat will do it all. Then we do have a windlass up here also. Again, my name is Carl Fleming with MarineMax and Stuart. If you'd like to